ultimo buto ng baka kaya nitong palambutin. It's one of the best kitchen machine investments na ginawa ko. So this brand is Crock-Pot. Hindi po ito paid promotion at hindi po ako bayad dito. Gusto ko lang siyang i-share. 5th year na ginagamit ko siya. Bawing-bawi na ako sa aking investment. Hindi ako mapapahiya sa inyo. Hindi. Napakaganda nitong gamitin. Good morning mga ating. Hi! So, well, una sa lahat, paumanhin dun sa mga background noise, sa mga tumatahol na aso, mga dumadaan na tricycle, etc. Kagigising ko lang, and then nanood lang ako ng konti ng Olympics kasi gusto kong makita yung favorite athletics person na gusto kong manalo, from the Netherlands, si Femke Bol. Nanalo sila sa mixed 4x400 meters. Combination ng babae at lalaki. Well, anyways, so kagigising ko lang and then matagal ko na kasing plano to na mag-feature ng isang product na talagang napakaganda ng product na to. Hindi po ito paid promotion at hindi po ako bayad dito. Gusto ko lang siyang i-share kasi I think kailangan to. Maganda tong addition sa gamit ninyo sa kitchen, sa bahay. Worth it na bilhin to. Very, very worth it. Napakaganda. Papakita ko siya ngayon at ito siya. So ito yung sinasabi ko na product na gusto kong ipakita. Wait, babagin ko na yung orientation ng aking camera. Okay, so binago ko lang yung orientation ng camera ko para makita ko yung sarili ko habang nag-feature nitong product. So ito yung sinasabi ko na talagang one of the best kitchen machine investments, one of the best kitchen machine investments na ginawa ko. Binili ko to overseas. I'm not sure kung meron ito sa Pilipinas at the moment. Tumingin kasi ako sa Lazada. Mostly ang nandun ay yung slow cooker na ganito, na may multiple functions kagaya nito. Hindi pa ako nakakita ng actual na ganito. So this brand is Crock-Pot na binili ko overseas. So bakit ko nasabi na ito ang pinakamagandang investment na ginawa ko, na binili ko na cooker sa kitchen? This is pretty expensive, sinasabi ko na dyan. Pero I have been using this for almost 5 years now and it's worth it. So this is a 10-function cooker na napakaganda na aking nabili. Siguro by this time, 5th year na ginagamit ko siya, bawing-bawi na ako sa aking investment. Truly. Kasi ginagamit ko to most of the time sa pressure cooker. Ultimo buto ng baka kaya nitong palambutin. Well, medyo exaggerated yun, pero pag nagamit nyo siya, I'm pretty sure lahat ng nutrients ng buto ng baka talaga namang makukuha nyo at mapapahalo dun sa broth na pakukuluan nyo gamit ito. And then, basta, lahat ng buto-butong pork, buto-butong beef, pati mga chicken na ginagawa kong pangsahog sa pansit, dito ko pinapalambot. And this is very, very effective. Napakagandang gamitin ito. Siguro dito sa Pilipinas, siguro ang conversion nun ay, if I'm not mistaken, mga 7,000 pesos. So in 5 years, siguro, ang nagastos mo lang, kung i-divide mo into 5, yung 7,000 to 8,000 pesos, magkano yun? 1,250. Diba? Sulit na siya. Gamit na gamit siya. And this is an extremely safe machine, cooking machine na gamitin. Sabi ko nga, gamit ko to most of the time sa pag-pressure cooker ng baboy, ng baka, at saka ng manok. This is one of the really, really good brands out there. So meron siyang 10 function. Ang most of the time na nagagamit ko siya ay sa pressure cooker. So meron kang start dito and then you can set the time, gaano katagal. Usually, nagpapa-pressure cooker ako ng at least 50 minutes. And then after that, yung pressure magre-release dito sa takip niya. So, easy seal din siya. Ayan. So, pag nag-pressure cooker kayo, ito na to turn. You can turn this. Ito yung pag-lock para hindi sumingaw. And then unlock para sumingaw. Kung gusto nyo pasingawin. Most of the time, hinahayaan ko lang magkaroon ng pressure inside para after nung timer ko sa pressure cooker, mag-slow cook naman siya sa loob na talagang sulit na sulit yung pag-ano ng mga sabaw. And then yung mga broth. So meron din siyang pang seal. Ito yon, parang rubber seal. There's a rubber seal here if you want to make sure na hindi lalabas yung pressure. And then after that, meron din siyang steel pot. This is a steel pot siguro. Siguro 250 grams ang bigat nito. And then dito yung kanyang saksakan. So you can see this is a foreign socket. This is sa Pilipinas. So kailangan nyo ng adapter. And then ito, meron siyang, you can see the max sizes na kailangan nyo for the water and the container. So ginagamit ko rin siya kapag nagsasaing ako ng madami. Rice cooker din po siya kasi. So you can see here, I'm not sure which button. So rice cooker din siya. And then, pag brown rice, napakabilis itong gamitin. As in, malambot talaga siya, yung brown rice. Lahat ng matitigas na klase ng bigas, kaya nitong palambutin. So may timer din siya for rice. Any function that you can see here, you can set the timer. And then, meron siyang indicator kung ilang volts. Yan, so kung ilang volts, makikita nyo siya. So 230 to 240 volts siya. So pwedeng-pwede siya dito sa Pilipinas. And then yan yung mga accessories na kasama nitong crockpot na ginagamit ko ngayon. Ginamit ko siya kagabi. Nagluto ako ng... Kasi yung seal natin. So you can see the lock here. You can just put the lid on. And then you can see the arrow. Point it to this one, the unlock. And then twist it to the right to lock it. You can see the arrow. And then to lock. So, nagluto ako kagabi ng nilagang baboy na gustuhan naman mga kasama ko dito. Kasi kagaya nga na sabi ko, usually, pagpakukuluan mo lang yung mga baka, baboy at chicken, hindi masyadong nanonood yung pagkakakulo dun sa buto, which is really important kasi some of the delicious savory stuff kapag pinapakuluan mo mga buto-buto ay nandun sa buto. Pati yung mga nutrients na kailangan natin. Kaya nga mayroong mga nagda-diet na ginagawa nila yung diet nila, bone broth lang. Nagpapakulo lang sila ng buto, and then yung pinakuluan ng buto, yung sabaw, yung broth, yun lang iniinom nila. Kasi maraming nutrients yun na kailangan ng katawan ng tao kapag nagda-diet ka. So kung hindi ka kumakain ng kanin, ng any protein or ng any carbs, ginagawa nila yung mga bone broth. So this is really highly recommended. This is not a paid promotion. I'm not being paid for this. I'm just sharing na napakaganda nitong machine na to. Napakaganda. Sulit ako. Hindi ako mapapahiya sa inyo. Hindi. Napakaganda nitong gamitin. So again, this is my most favorite and one of the best kitchen investments, machine investments that I've made in years. I've been using this for almost 5 years now. And this has never failed me. I use this most of the time for pressure cooker, slow cook. I've used this to slow cook a bangus Spanish style bangus. I set it for 8 hours, and then after I finished it, the bangus Spanish style, spicy Spanish style bangus was very, very delicious. I've used this most of the time as well to pressure cook chicken that I use for my pansit, sahog sa pansit. and I think equal number of times that I've used this to pressure cook pork meat with bones, because I use pork with bones on my nilaga and sinigang na baboy. So this is really perfect. I highly recommend this, and I think that every mom or everyone who loves to cook should have this machine in their kitchen. This is highly recommended. I highly recommend this. This is a really, really good investment. So I hope that if you have time and if you have the budget, try to purchase one of these. This is really, really good. Yun lang po. Thank you very much. And if you like this video, please click the like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. And then you can also leave your comments, suggestions, and or violent reactions in the comments section below. So thank you very much. This is one of my favorite cooking machines that I think everyone should have in their kitchen. Thank you very much for watching. See you mga ate. Bye.